masaganang buhay for 2025. Alam niyo po ba kung saan nagsimula ang belief ng Santo Niño or the Child Jesus in the Philippines? Na-influence po tayo sa aksyon ni Ferdinand Magellan, Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, and the Spanish King. Si Ferdinand Magellan po ay nagdala po ng imahe ng Santo Niño before his voyage to the east. Magellan gave the image to Juana, the wife of Raja Humabon, during her conversion to Christianity in 1521. Si Miguel Lopez de Legazpi naman, in 1565, and his troops discovered the image of Santo Niño among the ruins of the burned-down settlement in Cebu. Si Legazpi po ay ininterpret na ang discovery ay divine providence and decreed the spread of devotion to the Holy Child. Kaya po yung sinulog sa January, siya ay dahil sa mga nangyari na belief ng mga Spanish soldiers na yon who found the image of the Santo Niño as the divine providence. The Spanish king gifted Magellan with the image of the Santo Niño before siya ay umalis sa east sa atin. Dito kasi nag-navigate siya sa Eastern Hemisphere ng mundo. Santo Niño is the oldest Christian artifact in the Philippines and is considered miraculous by Filipino Catholics. It is the only canonically crowned image of Jesus Christ in the Philippines. The image is housed in the Basilica del Santo Niño, a national shrine, and in a popular destination for pilgrims. The primary historical significance po ng image ng Santo Niño de Cebu lies in the theory that it was among the images that Ferdinand Magellan brought with him from Spain in 1521. So the image of the Holy Child that Magellan brought is said to be a product of the Spanish colony of Flanders in Belgium. So yan po ang kwento ng Santo Niño faith in Cebu. At ito po ay replicate sa iba't ibang cities and municipalities in the Philippines. So, may sinulog tayo, may ati-atihan na lahat ng mga images ni Senior Santo Niño ay pinoprocession at pinaparade during the festival. So, thank you for listening, and I hope you're enjoying to my segments.